soul. Oh, now it's the time to realize